The construction of the Kirinyaga Business Center is still going since it began in May 2019 when the Bishop of the ACK Diocese of Kirinyaga, Right Reverend Joseph Karimi Kiboshwa, did the groundbreaking. The contract for this project was given to Tonilo Builders, led by the director Mr. Anthony Karanja, who says that the building is expected to be 10 floors, which will be built in 3 phases. The building, which has been financed by the ACK Church, is to be rented out to business people so as to generate income, which will help the church in carrying out its holistic mission.
This building, Kerugoya commercial building, the intention is that one day it will give us income. We will not require to go back to people begging for money. We'll be generating our own money to support mission and other church functions.
The site supervisor, Mr. Richard Njenga, says that the team is working hard towards ensuring that the construction goes on well. He says that the first phase will go up to the 4th floor, and the current building is on the 1st floor, which is still in the first phase.
Kwa majina naitwa Richard Njenga. Ni mimi site supervisor. Nafanya na Tonilo Builders and Anton Karaja Building. Site we already tuko phase 1. About tujaanzisha phase 2. Juu kuna nyumba ziko pale mbele ambazo bado ziko na challenge, lakini ambayo iko phase 2 ambayo inafanya dhamana na phase 1.
However, the construction has undergone a few challenges due to the global pandemic of COVID-19. The site had to be closed for about 3 months due to some factories supplying with building materials being closed up. The site is, however, already open, and the hardworking workers are determined to bring the building up.
Sahi already tumeanza, although tulikuwa tumefunga juu ya COVID. Tangu COVID ingie tumefunga karibu mara. Hii ilikuwa mara ya 3. Lakini sahi tumerudi. Tuko na 2 weeks tutarudi. Ndio tumeanza first floor. Na tunafaa hii ghorofa inaende kwa drawing. Nafaa kwenda 10th floor. Na so far they go first floor.
Bishop Joseph Kiboshwa is, however, hopeful that with God's grace the building will be completed in due time. He urged all Christians, clergy and friends to join in the venture and invited them to a Development Day fundraiser to be held on December 13th.
So the construction for Kerugoya complex is ongoing. We can say that we are behind the schedule because the effect of coronavirus has also affected the church. So we were not able to do a fundraiser in July. And now the fundraiser will be held on 13th December this year. And we don't expect to raise as much money as we had intended. But we trust that we are still on course. We believe that though we have lost some time, we will be able to catch up early next year. The construction is moving on smoothly. Now, after they have done the columns, we expect they will be able to lay the slab. After that, the committee will meet and decide on the way forward.
The Church Development Secretary, Reverend Julius Kiora, says that these setbacks have led the team to come up with a new resolve, which is to refocus on the vision, and it has made the church to be more re-energized.
So this is Kerugoya project, and this year we are hopeful, despite the challenges of COVID-19, which has slowed the project a bit. We were targeting to finish the first 4 floors by the end of August, but because of the issues of the COVID-19, we were a bit slow, and particularly some factories like the EPS factories were closed for about 3 months because of the effect of COVID-19. But now we are back on the ground and the construction is going on, and the challenges of COVID-19 has given us a new resolve that despite the has financial challenges, we can go back to focusing on our vision and energize the church for investment.
For the provost of the ACK St. Thomas Cathedral, Venerable John Getcho, building the business center next to the cathedral is an honor. He insists on the importance of the church investing like this, since the money generated from the business center will help in supporting the church in spreading its mission.
We are grateful that we started this idea of the putting up a complex here, a business complex next to St. Thomas Cathedral. I want to clarify that the needs of the ministry are diverse, they are uncountable, but the resources are still very limited. We are unable to reach our purposes because of the limited resources. And also, we as a church, we believe in self-propagating, self-supporting, and self-growing church. That's why we are encouraging this kind of development to help in the ministry of the church.
So we want to welcome you to this year Development Day. It is on 13th December. The day is here with us, where we are going to mobilize our friends, our parishes, friends of mission, our friends of development, to refocus our energy towards the completion of this project. Our target is next year we are going to redraw again and change some few things here and there, and the committee will sit and decide on the way forward. Otherwise, we welcome you to this year Development Day, and let's give out our resources, our monies, our ideas, our energy towards the completion of this project. Karibuni sana.